let's just get into changing this key fob. So this is for a 2000 E55 AMG. This is the older one, so this is more of the one that came with it. The one I like the most, the one that's 25 years old. This is what you're going to get when this one kind of just falls apart and doesn't work anymore. This is what they're doing nowadays, or at least they were. It's like this chrome piece. I don't like these as much as this. This is a lot thinner. You can look at it. It's kind of hard to tell looking at it like this, but it's thinner. It's a little smaller going this way. I like the way the key sits in here. It doesn't have this like hook that the key has to get into. I like that the ring can kind of go around. So I like finding these sometimes at yards, and I hold on to them just because I like them. And it's lasted this long. So we're going to just change the batteries out. You do need two. It's going to be a 2025 battery. So essentially what you're going to do is we're going to get this key off first. So we're just going to slide this way. Pull the key out just like that. If you look inside of there, there's a little gray tab. All you want to do is push that in. You can see where it moves in just like that. As you push that in, just get a nail in here and pull out. You can see where it started to come out there a little bit. And then you are going to need two batteries. So let's pop this battery off. Let's slide one out. Slide the other one out. I'm putting these back in now. Just sliding it in. Sliding it in. And let's see. Slide that back in. But that's pretty much it. If you look, it's kind of old school keys. I love these old ones. Fits in nice, and this one's done just like that. Batteries are done, and we get to keep this old fob. I just like it so much more than this newer one. It's lighter, thinner, smaller. I like it more. But that's it. I'll have links to everything down below. Thanks for watching.